Now let's talk about the types of entrepreneurs. First is innovative entrepreneur. They are the one who create unique products or services in the market. Examples are Steve Jobs of Apple and Elon Musk of Tesla. Second is imitative entrepreneurs. They are the one who imitate and improve existing products. Examples are Sam Walton of Walmart and Howard Schultz of Starbucks. Third is Fabian entrepreneur. They are the one who are cautious about the change and innovation in the business. Examples are the family-owned businesses. Fourth is drone entrepreneur. They are the one who chooses to do the traditional way of doing business despite the changes in the environment. Examples are small businesses that continue to use outdated technologies. Fifth is serial entrepreneurs. They are the one who often sell their business after they become successful and open another business. Example is Jack Dorsey of Twitter. Six is social entrepreneur. They are the one who focus on social problem through their business. Example is Muhammad Yunus of Grameen Bank. Seventh is lifestyle entrepreneur. They are the one who establish a business based on their passion and lifestyle. Examples are travel bloggers and fitness trainers who have their own brand. Eighth is technopreneurs. They are the one who create and manage tech-based businesses. Examples are Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook and Larry Page and Sergey Brin of Google. Ninth is ecopreneurs. They're the one who focus on businesses that are environmentally friendly. Example is Yvonne Choynard of Patagonia. Tenth is cultural entrepreneurs. They're the one who focus on creating and promoting cultural products and events. Examples are entrepreneurs in the arts, fashion designers, and cultural event organizers. 11th is corporate entrepreneurs or intrapreneurs. They're the one who are working within a corporation and develop new product ideas. Example is employees at Google who develop Google Classroom. Thank you and happy learning.